In this video, I am going to discuss an investment problem. Miranda, she invests $10,000 in two high-tech companies. One is Facebook, another is startup Snapchat. Facebook investment return was 15% for her for the year, and Snapchat investment return was 80% for the year. Her year-end investment return was $3,775. Now the problem is asking how much she invested in each of these companies. That means how much she invested in Facebook and how much she invested in Snapchat. I'm going to create a diagram to kind of give you an idea what's going on. So let's say this is her Facebook investment and this is her Snapchat investment, and investment return is right here. So that's how much she gets back. That's gonna be, by the way, $3,775, 3775. That's her total investment return. Part of this investment return is going to be coming from Facebook. Part of it is going to be coming from Snapchat. We don't know how much she invested in Facebook and we don't know how much she invested in Snapchat. So let's say we assume she invested X dollars in Facebook and she invested Y dollars in Snapchat. Then this X dollars and Y dollars, by the way, should be her total investment. So that means X plus Y must be her total investment, which is $10,000. So X plus Y is 10,000. Now, she gets some investment return from Facebook. How much does she get? Facebook gives 15% return on investment. Now, that means whatever she invested, 15% of it was the return, or 0.15 times X. That means her profit was 0.15X from Facebook. Where does it go? It goes here, 0.15X. And plus her Snapchat investment return, which returned 80%. So 80%. So 80% of whatever was invested, which is Y. So 80% is 0.8. And then Y was the amount invested, so it's 0.8Y. So 0.15X plus 0.8Y. That's what she gets from Snapchat and Facebook. From Facebook, 0.15X, from Snapchat, 0.8Y. Together, they must be equal to her investment return, which is this. So we've got the second equation, which is 0.15X plus 0.8Y is equal to 3775. Now we have two equations with two unknowns, so it's pretty easy to solve for X and Y. So I'm going to simplify this equation by multiplying both sides by 100. So take this equation and multiply both sides by 100. If I do that, I get 15X plus 80Y is equal to 377500. I think I can simplify it even further by dividing both sides by 5. So if I divide the left hand side by 5 and the right hand side by 5, I get the following. So now what I can do, I can just solve for X in this equation. If I did that, I will get X is equal to 10,000 minus Y. That means I'm subtracting Y from both sides. I'm going to take this X value and plug it right in here. If I do that, I get 3 times 10,000 minus Y plus 16Y is equal to 75500. And then it's going to be 30,000. 3 times 10,000 is 30,000 minus 3Y plus 16Y is equal to 75500. Now I'm going to simplify these things. It's going to be 30,000 plus 13Y, because negative 3Y plus 16Y is 13Y, is 75500. Now I'm going to subtract 30,000 from both sides. If I do that on the left hand side, these two cancel out. That gives me 13y is equal to, on the right hand side is going to be 0, 0, 5, 5 and 4. Now to solve for y, I'm going to divide both sides by 13. If I do that, these cancel out. That gives me y is equal to, by the way, you can do this calculation. You will see it goes in, 13 goes into this 3500 times. So my y is 3500. Now that I found y, I can easily find x. X is going to be 10,000 minus y, but I found y to be 3500. So 3500. So that gives me x is equal to 6500 or 6500. So Miranda invested 6500 in Facebook, and she invested 3500 in Snapchat. And you can see 6500 plus 3500 is 10,000. Of course, that's one check. Another check, you can do 15% of 6500, x is 6500, and 80% of y, which is 3500, will actually be equal to 3775. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.